U.S. Senator Jon Tester says affordable housing is one of the biggest crises facing not just Montana, but the nation. He talked about it at a special summit in Helena. MTN's chief political reporter, Mike Dennison, attended that summit and has a look at what was discussed.
Everyone knows that healthcare costs in America are difficult to afford. But now, Tester says that housing for the average person is approaching the same level.
This isn't unique to Montana. It's across the country. We've got an affordability housing crisis going on right now. I think it already has had detrimental effects upon the economy, on the ability for businesses to grow, on the ability of businesses to relocate to places like Montana.
To evaluate the depth of the problem, Tester assembled more than 20 experts in Helena Thursday on everything from data to banking to home building. They provided some sobering statistics. For example, according to the Montana Budget and Policy Center, 3/4 of Montanans living below the federal poverty line pay more than 30% of their income on rent and utilities. And the average cost of a 2-bedroom rental in Montana is $300 more per month than they can afford. The head of a Missoula Housing Education and Building Group also says affording a home is now even a problem for people with good-paying jobs.
We've seen a trend over time where people that are earning higher incomes are taking our class because they are trying to find an avenue to homeownership.
And a Helena loan officer said house payments are becoming more than many can afford.
We went through the Great Recession and we had the housing bubble burst and a lot of mortgage programs went away. We're seeing those make a comeback. But there's a very big difference between me telling you I can approve you for something and actually having it be affordable in that household.
Tester says the summit gives him ideas he can take back to Washington, but that it won't be an easy problem to solve.
There's no silver bullet here. There's not one single thing we're going to do that's going to fix this problem. I think there's many pieces of this puzzle, and so we need to look at what pieces the federal component can contribute.
Reporting from Helena, Mike Dennison, MTN News.
Senator Tester says he wants to increase the availability of affordable housing across all of Montana.